Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I want to do now is talk about my dividend payments. A lot of you guys have been asking what I do with my dividend payments. Do I take those out of my portfolio for living expenses? Do I take those out and put those in a bank account? Do I buy additional stock of the particular stock that paid a dividend? Do I group my dividends and buy other stock? And the simple answer is that I keep that money in Robinhood and I reinvest the dividends. And the idea is that if I put that money back into the portfolio, I can get a compounding effect on my money. Essentially, I'll be making money on money. I'll be taking those dividends, buying additional stock, which will produce additional income. And over the long haul, that can have a dramatic impact on your portfolio. And as an example here, I have AT&T, goes by the ticker symbol T. This is a telecom that we all know. It has a great dividend yield, 4.753%. And the important part about this particular stock is that it has a consistent dividend, and it has a dividend that has increased over many, many years. So this is a very reliable stock with regards to dividends. And if you were to hold this over the long term, you'd have a significant amount of dividends paid. And the important part is if you were to take those dividends and buy additional stock of this particular company, you would have even more dividends as the years progress. So every year you'd be getting more and more dividends, which would enable you to buy more stock, which would enable you to get more dividends, so on and so forth. So over the long term, you can see this would have a dramatic impact on your portfolio. As an example, let's say, for example, this company had a share price of $100 and you were going to keep this stock for 25 years, and you're assuming this would appreciate with regards to the share price 5% per year, and it would also give out a 5% dividend yield, or $5 per share per year. At the end of 25 years, if you were to take those dividends and simply take those out of your portfolio, you'd have a total portfolio value of around $59,000 or so. But if you were to take those dividends and buy additional shares of AT&T and essentially put that money back into your portfolio, at the end of 25 years, you'd have $115,000. So you can see there a dramatic increase in your portfolio value, and your annual return without dividend reinvestment would be about 7.25%. With dividend reinvestment, you're looking at 10.25%. So again, a significant increase on your rate of return, or the amount of money you'll be essentially getting back per year. 3% is a pretty big deal with regards to differences in a portfolio, and you're really not doing anything special. You're simply just taking those dividends and putting it back into the portfolio. So yeah, that's kind of what I do with my dividends. I think any investor should do the same. The power of compounding interest and dividend reinvestment is very real, and it will definitely have an impact on your portfolio over the long term, which is why most investors are investing to save up for retirement, to essentially have passive income after your job is done. After you don't make money per time, you're simply making some passive income, and your retirement will be very, very nice. So that's what I do with my dividends. Let me know what you guys do with your dividends. I typically put those back into companies that I already own within my portfolio, such as AT&T, other high dividend yielding securities. And that's why I put together this portfolio with a lot of dividend yielding securities, because I want to put those dividends back into the portfolio to get some compounding interest. So yeah, just wanted to talk about what I do with my dividends. Let me know what you guys do with your dividends. If you guys have a similar strategy that I do, trying to buy large market capitalization companies from blue chip companies with high dividend yields for that dividend reinvestment. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys have been learning. I've been learning a ton. And until next video, we'll see you then.